In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Google Forms requiring permission. Whether you're trying to access a form or share one with others, running into a permissions problem can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to help you resolve this issue quickly and easily. First, let's dive into the root of the problem. Typically, when you encounter a message saying that you need permission, it usually means that the form owner has restricted access. This might be intentional to protect sensitive data or simply an oversight. To fix this, start by contacting the form creator and request them to update the sharing settings. They can do this by opening the form, clicking on the Responses tab, and then heading over to the Google Sheets file associated with those responses. Alternatively, they can click the Send button at the top, which is represented by a paper airplane icon, to adjust who has access to the form. If you're the owner of the form and are trying to collaborate with others, you'll want to ensure that the permissions are correctly set. Once in the Send dialog box, head to the Add Collaborators section by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Here, you'll find options to adjust who can view or edit your form. You might want to change the settings to anyone with the link can access it, which often resolves many accessibility issues, especially when sharing forms with a larger audience. Otherwise, you can choose to keep it more private by inviting specific email addresses to have access. Remember, how you set this up will directly impact how accessible your form is to others, so choose the option that best fits your needs. Another point to consider, especially if you're operating within an organization, is that sometimes the permissions issue might be due to domain restrictions. In such cases, only those with a specific email domain can access the form. If you're within an organization and want people outside your domain to participate, be sure to modify these settings accordingly. Additionally, double-check that your personal Google account is correctly signed in if you're attempting to access a form. Sometimes forms have restrictions that allow only specific accounts to view them. Ensuring you're signed in with the right account can save you a lot of unnecessary headache. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to resolving Google Forms permission issues. With these steps, you can either grant access to others smoothly or gain the access you need. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.